Could you park any closer to the house? That would have been desirable there, dear. Nope. Got a parkway out in the middle, making it difficult for me to get out in the morning. And my stomach is rumbly today. Need a snack. Some Rice Krispies sound like a good option. Or maybe a Three Musketeers bar? Yeah. But I don't have those right now. If I did, but they're at work in the vending machines. Nothing like a morning snack from the work vending machine to add to my waistline. Yay! Let's keep the clothing companies in business. It's a little bit cooler today. Maybe I should have wore pants under my riding overpants. It is a little bit breezy in the nether regions. Just thought I'd like to share that with you all, in case you're wondering. But overall, it's not too bad, though. It's only 60 degrees this morning, so it's not terribly cold yet. Though we'll be getting a little colder later this week. I think it's supposed to be in the 40s for the low. So I'm definitely going to have to start wearing my heated jacket liner. Or something. Or at least wearing pants. Yeah. That'd probably be a good thing. Like jeans or something. Let me tell you though, that heated liner is the bomb. So yeah, it is made riding, especially during the when it gets to early spring or the fall season, makes it a heck of a lot more enjoyable. There's nothing worse when you're riding around and you can't move your hands and you're all like stiff and bunched up because you're really cold. You didn't bother to bring a liner or a sweater or anything like that. Yeah, that Gerbing gear certainly has made a difference over the years. Okay. Not entirely sure what's going on here. I guess I'll just pull up. I guess they had a little bit of a collision today. I didn't see anything wrong, so I don't know. Hey, I get to look through my nice bug-infested windshield once more. I really need to clean that thing. But I've been too lazy to get the bike out and actually wash it the last week, or, well, 2 weeks. I don't know. Been riding it more, so I haven't really made the time between getting home and working on the shop stuff and everything else. So yeah, just, oh well. For some reason, I don't know which particular plant around here produces the smell, but generally when I get on I-75 just off the Ronald Reagan, I go by this one spot. There's always a real heavy, and I don't even know what kind of odor to describe it as, but it's rather pungent. I guess it almost smells like a mix of overcooked dog food. Yeah, that's what I'm going to describe it as. I generally don't smell it until I'm out on 75, but this morning I can really smell it pretty heavily here while I'm still on Ronald Reagan. I haven't even gotten on 75. What the heck? I don't know. Maybe I guess the breeze is always wafting in a certain direction. Yeah. So if I'm not getting a landfill scent from Mount Rumpke in the morning, then it's always that. I love this city. Oh yeah. It's awesome. So just everyone move here. Okay, no, I don't. I'm not suggesting that at all. Don't come here. Don't even bother. Stay away. Stay away. Save your nasal passages. You will thank me later for this. There's the smell. Yep. There it is. So I guess I get the privilege of getting it in two directions today. Oh, goody! This time I'm remembering that there's a pothole there. Well, not a pothole. Manhole cover. So I have a tendency to hit that thing every morning. This time I actually remembered it was there, so I avoided it. That way my spleen doesn't end up in my throat again. Though that one's not quite as bad as the bumps at the beginning of this roadway. Now those will definitely make for some internal organ rearrangement. I don't know why they're like that. Maybe the guy operating the pavement munching machine got a little lazy and was like, it's eaten enough, I'm going to put it away. And then everybody else has the wonderful privilege of saying, oh, you left us treats on the roadway. Awesome. You should have fed them to your great mechanical pet. I see railroad tracks and I say, whee! Well, that was effectively lackluster. I got going on here. A bit of congestion. Never fails that Rumpke is everywhere. But at least there's not a landfill to fill my nose. Yeah, don't ask what that was about. I have no idea. I don't know what that was about. Oh. Well, that one was a little better. But anyway, I'm Mr. Burg, so I'm going to sign off for now in my morning rant. Highlight, dictation, whichever you want to call it. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye-byes!